Hi, welcome to Hotel Proverbs Taipei.
The property is located on the northern side of Taiwan in Taipei's lively Da'an district, one of Taipei's most upscale and trendy neighborhoods. Hotel Proverbs Taipei is 1.3 miles from Taipei 101, 2 miles from Ningxi and Raohe night markets, and a mile from Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Designed by Ray Chen, the hotel features an industrial chic style with black steel exterior and interiors adorned with dark wood, leather, and textured fabrics, creating a unique, sophisticated, yet cozy atmosphere. Hotel Proverbs Taipei opened in 2015 with only 42 rooms across 12 floors. This is the lobby with the front desk immediately on the right. On the left is a concierge desk. Beyond the concierge desk is Lidio, an Italian restaurant known for seafood and steaks. This is their breakfast menu in December 2024, which has some hearty offerings. This is their lunch and dinner menu, which has a wide variety of pastas, soups, steaks, seafood, wines, and desserts. To the right of the restaurant are the hotel's 2 elevators, which I learned to operate independently, as hilariously displayed in this video. Notice how the elevator on the right, already on the first floor, does not open when I press the left elevator button. Remember to request the elevator closest to your floor. We will make our way up to the 9th floor for the room tour. This is a classic room, slightly larger than the urban base room. On the right is a counter with an assortment of snacks, tea packets, and coffee pods, a coffee machine, and bottled water. Below is drinkware and a mini fridge with soft drinks. Soft drinks and snacks are complimentary and replenished by housekeeping. Hard drinks are available for purchase. There is a drawer with plates and cups. Beside the counter is a full-length mirror. This is the living room and bedroom, which has an armchair, sofa, table, king-size bed, and a TV. Behind the sliding door is the bathroom, which feels very luxurious with its marble floors and glass walls. There is a single sink vanity and a box with toiletries. On the right is the toilet room, which has an advanced toilet that opens when you approach and a panel of buttons. There is also a phone above the toilet paper. On the left there is a shower with a rainfall and a handheld shower head. Bath products are made by Culti. Past the shower is a bathtub, a towel rack, and a robe. Another view of the classic room. On the right of the door is a pole with clothes hangers and a box with an embedded safe and drawers with indoor slippers. Immediately next to the door is a slot for your room key to activate the room's power and very unique light switches. This type of light switch can be found on other walls and bedside. Making our way up to the 12th floor, this door leads to the hotel's pool deck, which has a nice panoramic view of Da'an district, a picturesque pool that is open daily from 6:30 a.m. to 9 p.m., and some pool chairs. Moving down to the 3rd floor, we have a few armchairs and sofas, which are the only public seating in the hotel. Adjacent to that is East End Bar, which is open daily and has an outdoor terrace overlooking prime sections of Da'an district. Okay, time for ratings. I give the classic room a 4. The room lacked a little bit of functionality since it didn't have USB ports or a closet, but the room more than made up for that shortcoming with above average square footage, a complimentary mini bar and snacks, ample seating, a fancy bathroom with marble floors and an advanced toilet, and unique styling. I give the amenities a 2.5. Hotel Proverbs Taipei has a full-service restaurant, a bar, and a rooftop pool, which are all nice amenities, but the property is notably missing a gym. I give the intangibles a 4. The service was good. Staff were readily opening the front door for guests entering and leaving, and lent us an umbrella on a rainy day. They also wrote us a welcome letter. Very nice of them. I liked the location in Da'an district. It was within walking distance of many small eateries, cafes, shopping venues, and public transportation, and within a mile or two of major attractions and famous night markets. Lastly, I appreciated the unique industrial chic theme of the property. Cash prices for the classic room are typically $300 per night. At that price, I give a 2 for cash value, which represents little value. As nice as the classic room, the location, and the unique styling were, I think $300 per night is a bit pricey and do not recommend booking with cash. Award prices for the classic room are typically 45,000 Marriott points per night. At that price, I give a 4 for points value, which represents good value. I think this is a solid redemption of Marriott points or a 35,000 Marriott point certificate and some points to top off the redemption. I recommend booking with Marriott points. In summary, Hotel Proverbs Taipei is a small, stylish hotel in a trendy neighborhood with sophisticated yet cozy rooms with luxurious bathrooms. Cash prices are on the pricey side, but award prices offer good value. Okay, that is all for my review of Hotel Proverbs Taipei. Thanks for joining.